In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the user interface of CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch the workspace layout so your timeline, preview window, and tools are arranged in a way that fits your editing style and screen size. First, open CapCut. When the editor loads, you'll be in the main workspace with your media, timeline, and preview visible. Nothing about this process will affect your footage or project. Changing the interface only rearranges panels and controls to make editing more comfortable. Next, look for the layout icon. In most versions of CapCut, it appears along the top toolbar, typically toward the right. It often looks like a small grid or a set of rectangles, indicating different panel arrangements. Clicking this icon opens a menu of workspace designs. If you're using the desktop app or the web editor, the icon placement may vary slightly, but it's still on the main toolbar and easy to spot once you know what to look for. Now, choose a design. You'll see several presets that rearrange key panels. Some give you a larger preview window, which is great if you're evaluating visual details, color, and motion. Others emphasize the timeline, giving you more vertical room for multiple tracks and precise cuts. There may also be streamlined options that reduce visual clutter, helpful if you're working on a smaller laptop screen or want a cleaner workspace. As you select a design, the change applies instantly, so you can see how it feels before you commit. If a layout isn't quite right, simply click the layout icon again and pick another. This is non-destructive and reversible at any time. A few tips as you choose. Consider your screen size and priorities. Editors who do lots of fine cutting often benefit from a taller, more detailed timeline, while those focused on visuals prefer a larger preview. If you frequently use an external monitor, a layout with more panels visible at once can speed up your workflow. And if performance ever feels sluggish, a simpler design with fewer on-screen panels can make navigation feel snappier. Once you've found a layout you like, keep editing as usual. CapCut typically remembers your last selection, so the next time you open the app, your preferred workspace should be ready to go. That's it. Open CapCut, click the layout icon, and choose the design that fits you best. With a workspace tailored to your needs, editing becomes faster, clearer, and a lot more enjoyable.